We'll guide you through how to change zoom shortcut in VS Code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific instructional tutorial today, please make absolutely sure that you already have the highly reliable VS Code software properly downloaded and fully installed on your personal computer system. After successfully verifying that crucial initial requirement, go ahead and carefully open your VS Code program directly from your main computer desktop workspace. Once you are securely inside the main VS Code graphical interface, safely navigate directly down to the absolute bottom left corner of the main sidebar section and firmly click the small gear icon provided there. From the brand new drop-down menu that immediately appears on your active screen, accurately select the keyboard shortcuts option to smoothly proceed forward to the next step. A completely new tab will immediately open right on your active screen, conveniently displaying absolutely all of your current key bindings. Next, carefully type the word zoom directly into the designated settings search bar, conveniently located right at the absolute top of the newly opened page. You will quickly see a lot of different unique zoom shortcut visual options readily available and appear right here for you to securely review. Please note that the standard default keyboard shortcut for actively zooming in is typically set to Control and equal. Conversely, the standard default keyboard shortcut for actively zooming out is typically set to Control and minus. For the purpose of this tutorial today, I will creatively change those specific default shortcuts to perfectly match my personal daily coding preferences. To effectively do so right now, simply double-click directly on the specific keyboard shortcut that you personally want to change. A small helpful prompt will immediately appear directly on your active screen, explicitly asking you to clearly enter your new desired key combination. After that specific prompt appears, press the completely new keystrokes directly on your computer keyboard to successfully assign the brand new shortcut immediately. For this instructional example, I will specifically change this setting to creatively use the standard Shift key instead of the default Control key. Simply press the Enter key on your computer keyboard to perfectly save the new customized key binding. Finally, please always make absolutely sure there are completely no overlapping visual conflicts securely existing anywhere between your brand new personalized keyboard shortcut and absolutely any other previously existing ones.